Shalom family, welcome to another video, Awa Israel Lives. Welcome guys, my name is Awa Israel Lives, and today I am going to be sharing a very simple, healthy breakfast, very well rounded in nutrition. And me and my husband eat this 6 times a week. On Sunday is the only day that we have a cooked breakfast, okay? So this is a raw breakfast, very simple, but very nutritious. And if you incorporate this into your diet, I'd say 6 times a week. And then me and my husband, we only eat pretty much 2 meals a day. We eat this for breakfast, and then we have a dinner. So simple guys. We have, in this one I'm going to use grapes, and I do not like seedless grapes, but it's hard to find, regular grapes, many times so. And then an apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, it's true. And then if you're healing, I've heard some practitioners say if you're healing, you probably shouldn't use banana, but I do, although I am going through a healing process, I do use a banana. And then I pre-cut my pineapple, guys. So you can also pre-cut your grapes also, because any fruit that browns easily, I don't pre-cut. Like my apples and my bananas, I don't pre-cut those, but my grapes you can actually pre-cut, as well as your pineapples. And then I do a blend of nuts. Pumpkin seeds are very high in protein, so sometimes I like pumpkin seeds seasoned and so forth, but sometimes by themselves they can be a little bland, so I'll blend it with either some cashews or some peanuts. So this is what I do. I pre-make everything, I pre-blend everything. So here in this we have peanuts as well as pumpkin seeds. And then my husband, he used this Greek yogurt. He loves this. And then when I don't make mine, which in another video, I'll show you how to make your own vegan yogurt, which is simply delicious. But this is what I use when I may be in a hurry and I don't have time to make my own. And then also chia seeds, guys. Chia seeds, very high in protein. And so this is what we're going to be using today. These are all in the ingredients. So just real quick, we're going to put this together and you're going to see how amazing and delicious it can be. Okay guys, so that concludes the video of our beautiful raw fruit salad full of protein, natural sugars, no sugar added. In my yogurt that I make, I don't use any sugar or anything. I just use honey. But anyway, one thing I would like to note, chia seeds are better when you put them in the yogurt so they can absorb the moisture, but we don't always do that. But anyway guys, here's the delicious fruit salad. There's nothing better than God's food. So guys, listen, I hope you enjoyed this video. Incorporate this into your diet at least once a day, 6 days a week. And break your fast at noon. We'll talk about that in another video. Thank you all so much for joining. See you in the next video. Shalom.